G'day everybody and welcome to another episode of Automotive Carnage. In today's episode, we're going to give a workhorse a lot of love that it has been deserving of for a very long time. Yes, we are going to be doing some modifications to the Prado, the trusty old workhorse that pulls our cars out of the bush, flips our cars over for us and does outback drag racing where we hook up to an abandoned vehicle and drag it for no apparent reason except that it's absolutely hilarious and fun to do. So today we're going to go through and rebuild the entire suspension. We're going to replace that dodgy clutch I keep burning out when I flip cars over. We're going to put all brand new brakes in it. We're going to check the CVs. I know we need to put some new boots on those. Hopefully we can get to the clutch today, not too sure, because this weekend I have a very special guest with me because I don't know what I'm doing. I'll freely admit that, but my friend is an absolute pro at this kind of stuff, so he's come up to give us a hand. So we'll meet him after the credits. Intro! It's an intro, not credits. Alright, so here we are. We have the wonderful Christina that is a bane of my existence at the moment because I can never get time to work on the thing. But more importantly, we have Byron here from Byron down the shed with Byron.
Yeah, down the shed.
Let's start that again. That's really embarrassing.
That's all good. We're down the shed with DJ now. Yeah, I got my own little channel, Down the Shed with Byron.
Yep.
Yeah, decided to... I seen DJ's channel where he was out in the bush picking up wrecked cars. And he was talking about upgrading his suspension on his Prado. And, well, I sort of help out and work and deal with suspension a bit. And Pedders in Cannington, WA, helped me out.
They hooked us up.
Those guys, Bevo and Brandon and the team there. So,
absolutely,
mate.
Dude, thank you so much for hooking this all up. It's fantastic. And again, yeah, to the guys down in Pedders there, thank you so much for this. It's going to make the Prado roll absolutely amazing. So if you guys have, in WA at least, if you guys have any suspension questions or any you need any products, hit up the guys down at Cannington. Cannington. Yep. I will always get that wrong.
Yeah, we'll put it in the description.
Yeah, we'll put a business name, address, phone number, all that down the bottom there.
Bevo and Brandon, and they said if you mention Down the Shed with Byron, they'll give you a bloody discount or help hook you up.
Hook you up. Look at you, know. Cool. So we have absolutely everything we need to replace the entire suspension in the Prado, which is going to be great because the Prado, as I said before, is very tired now, and we need to do something about that. So here we are. That's what this is going to be. Along with that, I've also got, as I said before, new brakes, new rotors, new shoes, new everything. Disc pads to go into this thing. I mean, look at the size of this. This is fantastic.
Red parts win half.
So that's going to be great. So we'll get stuck into putting all this in the Prado. If you guys want to see us installing this in the Prado, head over to Down the Shed with Byron's YouTube channel. Hit it a subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff. He's got a fantastic series, the Debuild Rebuild? Yeah. And yeah, pretty much rebuilding a GQ Patrol, gotta get my chassis right, with his kids. And the kids are getting right in there, mucking in and helping out as well. So it's absolutely fantastic, good, family-friendly fun. Let's modify a car.
All right, well, yeah, let's get into it.
All right. So here we go. Here's the tired old girl, poor thing. Look at it, it was a broken grille and there's one spotlight and tarnished lights. Yeah, I pushed too many cars with this thing, so that's what's happened there. So we're going to finally give it some well-deserved love. The CV shaft on this side is absolutely destroyed, which we're going to replace that as well. So all new brakes, all new suspension, as you saw, upper and lower control arms. Down the back here, same sort of thing. We've got new shocks, new springs, all heavy duty, so it's going to be great for towing all those vehicles. And then over this side, this is actually the shock that got my attention. We need to do something about this car. Yeah, that's not right. So that is why now we have Byron helping us out, getting ready over there.
Thumbs up, brother.
Yeah, sweet ass. And so yeah, we'll get into it. So next time you'll see on this channel, we are going to just have it all done, just like that, you know, power of YouTube. If you want to see actually tips and tricks on how to change it all over, head on over to Down the Shed with Byron and his video there with the whole trip coming out and with his kids, and yeah, we'll smash out the actual car itself. So head over there if you want to see how to do it, and then come back and we'll go out bush and we'll start thrashing around and really put this pedal suspension to the test. Alrighty folks, well here we are on our way out into the bush, and all the work that Byron and I have done to the Prado has been done. So be sure to head over to down the shed of Byron's YouTube video, 30 thumbs up, and he'll show you how we went about putting it all in. But as you can see, all new upper control arms, new shocks, new springs, new lower control arms. Mate, this thing handles so well now, and we have a new car trailer. That's right, we finally went out and splurged on a decent car trailer. I'm so excited for this. Not only is it 1.9 wide between the guards, it's tilt tray, it's got a winch mount on the front. We'll show you how that works soon. We can actually run up over the side, flatbed, so we can just drag any old car on here, wheels or no wheels. Absolutely fantastic. So we are going out today, and we are going to go find ourselves a beautiful Fairlane with our old mate Merv. You guys remember Merv? He showed us where the Mark 1 Escort was, and we brought that off him, which that's now gone on to a fantastic home. That might actually end up an island, that car. I'll have to find out about that. But anyway, today Merv's going to go show us where one of his Fairlanes are. We're going to load it up onto the trailer, and we're going to take it home and really give the trailer and this new vehicle, well, new upgraded vehicle, a run for its money and test it out. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. Plus also, we have company today. So we got Byron here. You guys met him in the live feed a couple of weeks ago. Riley, Maisie, how's it going everyone? And this will be your first bush rescue.
Yeah, it'll be good fun.
Yeah, excellent, sweet. So these guys are pretty onto it. They know how to work in the bush. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. So let's go get a vehicle. All right, so here we go. We have made it out. Bush car trailer worked fantastic. The suspension in this car now is absolutely amazing. So definitely link in the description. Go help the guys down at Pedders. Thank you so much. Honestly, thank you heaps for hooking us up with some good suspension. So let's move on to what we've come here to rescue. ZB Ford Fairlane. Just check out this absolute beast of a car. It is in really good nick for a bush car. We have a lot of chrome still on there. We have the grille still on there. The 302 and the automatic transmission is gone. Unfortunately, all the tags have been taken off sometime in the past as well by various collectors, and it is just an awesome example. There's not too much rust down on the sills in that. We have all the diffs, we have all the hubs, so getting wheels onto this and winching it up onto the trailer is going to be relatively easy. Look, guys, we even have glass windows still in. The only window we're missing is on that door, and obviously rear and a couple of other bits and pieces, but otherwise a really good example of a bush car. These bucket seats, do they come standard with bucket seats or is that an option? I can't remember. But anyway, we've got a steering wheel, we've got wheels. Let's start chopping some trees down and get this thing onto a trailer and get it home where we can do a proper walk around. Let's do it. Alright, so we just had a couple of complications. All the wheel nuts that I've brought are all 1.5 thread pitch, which is not right for what we have here. So we've just gone around and rated a wheel nut off every car, and we found out that the wheel nuts off the trailer fit beautifully. So we'll nick a couple off the trailer and we'll stick them on here so we get some wheels on that, and yeah, it should be right. We'll get this going. Thank you very much. So what's really great about having mates is that they can do all the work for you. Dig harder, come on. Get in there, we've got to get a wheel on there yet. So, might find some gold actually, who knows? Short brought a detector. Anyway, the wheels that we have for this are some 12 slotters that you may have realized from a video ages ago. I think I filmed them, I can't remember. But anyway, I've just been slowly collecting 12 slotters, genuine and non-genuine ones, for a while. For a vehicle like this. You right? You're going to fall over? Alright. So I reckon this car's going to look sick with these massive blooming 14 inches on the back of it. So come on, man. I'm trying to speed up things along. You're still digging.
Just put me on hyper mode.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so we've had a few more complications. Our awesomely fat blooming rim back there is a 12 cylinder design, but it's got Holland stud patterns. So that's a pain in the butt. So we've got a spare trailer wheel on the front here, which luckily our trailers are Ford. It's good to know. And then we just got one more on this side here. We've already got up a little bit. Oh, hang on a minute. Oi, Byron. Ah, I keep calling you Byron. Check it out, man. It's ID tag. Oh, and the scuff plate. Prefix, serial number, side model. So engine is Y, trans is R, I think, but still doesn't have the year on it.
Oh, bugger.
But from that JG37JP, someone will be able to decode that and let us know exactly what this is.
Oh, that's
So that's really cool. So that's an awesome find.
And you got the kick panel too.
Kick panel, yeah. Sweet. All right, let's get this last wheel on and let's start towing it out.
DJ, you don't need a jack, mate. Ah! Come on, big fella, get it under there for me. You got it?
Yeah.
Right. Woo! Got the wheel on.
This is why we have friends.
Okay.
All right, here we go. We got Byron in his big GQ. He's going to come in here. Riley's on tow hook duties. Latch it up, and we're going to drag it out. So onto the recovery hook it goes. All right, so which one of you fellas is steering?
I'll have to fall,
Go on then, jump in. Well, the young fella said he wanted a project car, didn't he?
Yep. We can V8 and turbo it.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, you boys ready? Yeah. Yep, good here, good there. You're turning it, Jake. Turn the other way.
Start dragging this way.
Yeah, keep going till it's straight. All right, straighten up. All right, here we go. So wheels are straight. Straight-ish. Let's see what happens. So we've got a new winch set up on Byron's patrol there. Hope he's got enough juice. Let's give this a crack. Put the handbrake on.
First gear.
First gear, handbrake on, full drive. Okay, let's try that again. All good? Yeah! Yeah!
There you go, it's going in there.
Yep.
Front wheel's locked up.
Turn that way.
Come on, use the race steering wheel. You can do it. These boys are loving it.
Hey, that way a little bit. No, hold it. How awesome is that? Yes! Oh, I'll live. We got a bit more. About there. That is a kick-ass trailer.
It's not good with the tires on.
Oh, awesome. How was that? Good fun?
Hey, where'd you go for a drive? Down the main street?
Got caught by the cops.
Oh, you got pulled over. Double demerit points too, bro.
How freaking awesome is that trailer? Now we can start rescuing some awesome vehicles. I'm ecstatic. We'll now strap this car down. And was
Look
that?
at your suspension now, man.
Oh yeah,
Still sitting level. I think once you put that bull bar on, it'll be good. Shut the door.
that's pretty much how it was before the car went on. I'd say bull bar and winch on the front should be right.
Yeah, man. So give it a try for a while, man.
Yeah. Oh, this is fantastic. Finally, guys, finally, I have a decent rig. Oh, this is going to be so good. All right, we'll strap it down, we'll get home, and I'll let you know when we get home safely. Yes! All right, so here we are, guys. We are back home now, and our Fairlane has made it home safely. This trailer is an absolute beast. Thank you very much to Byron and his kids for helping out. This is fantastic. Oh, we'll get out of that sun there. That's pretty bad. But look at this thing. It is a beautiful example. No engine or trans, unfortunately, as we saw before. But we've got majority of the windows, and we look inside, and we have quite a bit of trim as well. It's interesting. We've got the blue vinyl on the front and red on the rear. So I dare say it was red vinyl originally, but really good example. We found the steering wheel off an old XF Ute, and that managed to fit on, so we get a bit of handling and steering to get onto the trailer. So now what's going to happen is we're going to take it off this trailer and we're going to put it onto that trailer, and it is going directly to Perth with Byron. And yeah, we're not sure yet. His son might convince him to rebuild it on his channel, or it might be used to fund other projects. So thank you all for watching. I am so stoked to have a car now that has proper suspension and can tow. We might need just to work out a little bit on the rear springs there. They're looking a bit saggy. The trailer is absolutely fantastic. It's so exciting to see it working, and another beautiful car has been saved and on its way to Perth to be fully rescued in some way or another. But we'll let you know how that goes. So thank you very much for watching, and join in for another episode of Automotive Carnage. See ya.